Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we're going to be playing Roblox Adopt Me, and today we're going to be seeing what people trades for the dog mobile. So yeah, wait, I forgot what's the name again. I think it's the dog mobile. Yeah, it's the dog mobile only. We're going to see what people trades for a dog mobile. So let's start. So let me first teleport to gifts. Okay, let me just unclip this. And you know, let me stop the music if you guys have some music video. Well, I'll just go to settings. Let me stop the music. Yeah, it's kind of glitching for me. So actually, off. Okay, yeah, it's off now. I can start training some people while it's glitching for me. Okay, but let's go start training some people when it's done glitching. I'm putting more. I'm gonna tell trade. I don't know if I traded. Trade. Okay. Oh, she's already in a trade. Let me trade this girl. It's already in trade. Let's trade this guy. Request sent to. Okay, so let's add our dog mobile in. Dog mobile. So what will she offer for it? A B? I already have a B, but actually that, of course not, it's going to be a bad offer. Let's see if they accept. Okay, of course not, I'm going to decline. So yeah, let's trade this guy with the snow guy. Snow apple. Yeah, I traded her. Pretty girl. Oh, she declined it. You have a neon B? Cool. I'm going to trade this kangaroo guy now. She's still already in a trade. Hi, let me just trade that guy. Trade. Okay, so, oh yeah, that's my friend. Let me just say that I'm recording. Okay, but she not had anything in. I think because she didn't had anything. Let's trade this guy with the dodo now. Already in trade. Trade. Olivia. Already in trade. Trade this guy with the horse. Already in trade. Most people are already in trade. Nah, I already traded the same guy. Let me trade this person. So, trade. I think I traded this guy with the unicorn instead. Or the ginger cat. Is he already in trade? Okay, let me trade now the one with the unicorn. Okay. Fishy army. Request to let's trade pets. Declined. Okay. Trade. I want to trade the neon bee up there. Click. Trade. Okay. My friend just keep teleporting to me. Okay, let's add in my dog mobile. What will she add for it? A rabbit. No rabbits. I want something that's legendary. So I'm gonna decline. Oh, someone has a metal ox. I think that's Max. Or land. Okay, whatever. already in trade. I'm gonna trade this guy right here with the dragon. He's already in trade. This guy with the Dilophosaurus. Okay, I first. Okay. Let's add in my dog mobile. What's he gonna add in? Maybe this can be the last trade, then I'll just end the video. Even though this is a short video. Okay, Lunar Ox, Hyperspeed Potion, and Red Alt. It's gonna tell add. Or they declined. Or the trade has expired, they meant. So remember I told it's gonna be the last trade. So if you guys hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye.